In this tutorial, we are going to start with conditional formatting, a very important aspect of Excel. We will understand now what conditional formatting is and what it dynamically means in case of formatting the cells. What exactly are we going to do? I'll just explain it to you. We have this figures for a percentage of total annual salary. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to highlight something from this. So we are going to highlight the people who have got the salary which is more than 8%. This is our first case. So we want to highlight the cells of the people or the employees who have more than 8% of the annual salary. So you can do this manually as well. So who has got more than 8% of the salary? One is Melvin. Then we have Aaron. Oh yeah, only two people. So Melvin and Aaron. So we were able to do it quite easily because we have less number of employees. But when you have lots of employees, like hundreds and thousands of employees, you can make use of conditional formatting. Okay, so this is the one case that we are going to see, and then we are going to see a second case wherein we are going to highlight the people who have less than 3% of the annual salary. So let's start with conditional formatting. Conditional formatting option is present in the home tab. If you are in the home tab, you can see the option of conditional formatting over here. So let's first highlight the cells which have more than 8% of annual salary. Let's decide one color for this. Let's say, can we select purple? Okay, we are selecting purple for this. And now let's go to conditional formatting. Okay, so I'll select the cells. Okay, I've selected wherever I want to apply the conditional formatting. Then you go to conditional formatting. Once you click on this, you can see various options which are present. Highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets. Then these are options for new rules, clear rules and manage rules. What we want is highlight cell rules. So what is our first case? That the salary percentage should be greater than 8%. So we are going to make use of greater than option which is present over here. So I'll click on that, greater than 8%. So just type 8% and we want to highlight this. If you are not selecting anything, it will be a light red fill with dark red text. So this is what we can see, but since we have decided orange color, I'll just click on this drop down menu, bring this in the center and just click on custom format. Okay, I'll go to fill and select this orange color and click on OK. So now we have our employees who have more than 8% of annual salary highlighted properly. Let's come to the second case wherein we want to highlight the cells which have less than 3% of the annual salary. So again, select the range or the cells where you want to apply conditional formatting. I'll just go to conditional formatting again. First option, highlight cell rules. And since we want to find out the cells which are having less than 3% of the annual salary, I'll just click on the less than option. I'll just write down 3% over here. A color that we want over here, let's say purple, and I'll click on OK. So this is purple color. So there are 4 employees which have less than 3% of the annual salary. So Excel has automatically and dynamically determined this for us. Now there are 2 people who have more than 8% and 4 people who have less than 3% of the annual salary. So let's make some changes in the numbers over here and let's see what happens. So for example, let's take someone from here. Can we take Paul? Okay, we can take Paul and let's make his salary, which is currently 7100. I'll make this 710. So I'm decreasing 10. Can you see again his salary is less than 3%. So automatically the conditional formatting is included for this cell as well, and it has turned into purple color since it has a salary percentage of less than 3%. I'll press Ctrl Z. Then I will again increase someone's salary. Let's come to Malcolm. His salary is 4,000. I'll make it 20,000 and press enter. His salary now becomes 17.99%. It is highlighted properly. Now what I'll do is I want to remove the format or the conditional formatting which is present over here. I do not want the cell to be highlighted. So can I just go over here and click on no fill? nothing happens. Can you see? I just went over here and clicked on no fill, nothing happens. This is because you will have to delete this from the conditional formatting option only. So let's try to remove this. What you will do is, once you want to remove the conditional formatting which is applied, you will select this. You'll go to conditional formatting and you will select the option for clear rules. Now if you're using versions which are before Excel 2013 and 16, you can see only this two option. The new option is present from the version 2013, clear rules from table. Now let's understand what are the options. You can clear rules from either the selected cells. We have selected cells now, or you can clear the rules from the entire sheet, or you can clear the rules from the table. So let's select this first option, and now everything is back to normal. One other thing with respect to conditional formatting, it's max and min. So let's try to highlight a person whose salary is maximum, like the percentage of the annual salary, total annual salary is maximum. So I'll select this again, and now what you will do is you will go to conditional formatting, but now you will do a next option. You will perform a specific action over here. You just click on new rule. Okay, so once you click on that, the new rule, formatting rule dialog box opens up. It has various options for the rule type. For example, format all cell based on the values, format only cells that contain, format only top or bottom rank values. So there are various options, but let's select this second option, format only cells that contain. Here again you have various drop down actions which are present over here. Let's see what are there. What are these? You have format only cells with cell value, specific text, dates occurring, blanks, no blanks, etc. So I'll select cell value. This I'll make it as equal to, and I'll include the max formula. Since we want to know whose salary is maximum and we want to highlight that, I'll press equal to sign, I'll press max, open the bracket, and I'll just select these cells and I'll complete the bracket. So format, how I want to format that cell, let's say a dark green color, and I'll press OK. Okay, so can you see Malcolm's salary? His salary is the maximum one. We had made changes in this salary, so his salary is now the maximum of everyone's salary. This is the max thing that we did. I'll just include a green color, and for minimum let's include another color which we will select. Let's keep it as blue. So let's see whose salary is minimum, and we want that person to be highlighted. So I'll select this. Again, go to conditional formatting. I'll go to new rule. Select the second option, format only cell that contains. The cell value, the first option, I'm going to keep it as same. Between, no, we want it to be equal to. I'll enter the minimum formula, include equal to sign, press MIN, open the bracket, and select your range. This is our range. I am selecting the entire numbers, complete the bracket, and we had selected the blue color. So we want the preview to be a blue color. Okay, so you can select any color that you want. Since we have selected blue over here, I am selecting blue, and I press OK. Okay, so Grace, poor Grace, her salary is the lowest salary, the minimum of everyone's salary. So we have made use of conditional formatting. We just found out whose salary is more than the 8% range, or whose salary is less than the 3% range, whose salary is the maximum, whose is the minimum, what is the number, and it got automatically highlighted. So you can make use of conditional formatting in various different ways. As I told you, there are various options for data bars wherein you can make use of gradient fill, solid fill, everything can be done. So as per your requirement, you can make use of the conditional formatting function of Excel 2016.